to behave well.
Discipline has the most impression on me.
Give respect and get respect.
I even obtained a scholarship.
How to be a good leader.
A lot of stuff. Independent.
Hi, my name is Abigail. I graduated in 2021. I'm from the 3rd batch and currently in grade 10 Dian Harapan School.
Hello everyone, my name is Edward Jonathan Sundra. I am from 3rd batch and currently I am in 10th grade and attending Sekolah Dian Harapan.
Hello everyone, my name is Ansela. I graduated in 2021. I'm a 3rd batch and currently in 10th grade and I'm attending Sekolah Dian Harapan.
Hello, my name is Franz Antonius. I'm from the 3rd batch of Charis Global Junior High School. My current school is Don Bosco 3 and I'm from the 10th grade of Science.
Hey everyone, my name is Christian Jordan Putra from the 3rd batch of graduates of Charis Global School. Right now, I'm studying at Tunas Bangsa Galing Serpong in grade 10 Science.
Hello everyone, my name is Mark Winardi from batch 3 of Charis Global School.
Hi, let me introduce myself. My name is Gita Ramadhani from the 3rd batch. And now I am 10th grade on SMA Negeri 2 Cikarang Utara.
The things that I have applied in my current school are the skills on how to follow English lesson and Mandarin extracurricular well. At Charis Global School, I have also learned on how to make a scientific paper that I think will be useful someday. We are also being taught to behave well, being disciplined, and being a responsible person. I hope Charis Global School can be better known by many people. I also would like to say thank you to everyone for guiding me patiently all this time.
There are many things I have learned from Charis Global School. Even the things I used to disregard are also being used in the next grade and so on. If I may tell a story about myself, when I started studying in Charis Global School, I used to be really bad at English. I used to get scores below the passing grade like 50 or 60, but now I can proudly say I'm one of the best English speakers in my class. And because of the knowledge that I kept polishing over and over in Charis Global School, I even obtained a scholarship. It's a pretty big deal, not only for me, also for my parents. I can get better schools, I can enter better schools, and I have a more promising future. And my parents can pay less than 50% of the original price. We have to work harder and put in greater efforts, not only into our studies, also into building our relation with teachers, our friends. While we're at it, we should also improve our bond with our parents and family while they're at home.
I have learned a lot of stuff in Charis Global and one of them is English. Before I went to Charis Global, I knew nothing about English. But after studying in there for 4 years, I have learned a lot about English and able to speak English. I don't feel trouble in some of the subjects because I have learned them in the previous level in Charis Global. I hope that Charis Global will grow to be a better and bigger school than it was before.
Lesson I have learned in Charis Global School is never be afraid to make mistakes. Give respect and get respect. My message to Charis Global School is that I hope that Charis Global can grow into one of the leading schools here in Lipo Cikarang. And I want to say thank you for always trying to give the best for the students.
One thing that I've learned from Charis Global and I've applied in my new school is discipline. All of the things that I've learned from Charis Global, discipline has the most impression on me because it is very useful for us in anywhere we go, in any situation. We need to keep our discipline. And my message to Charis Global is keep growing and wish you all the best.
My message to Charis Global School is that I hope that Charis Global can grow into one of the most leading schools here in Lipo Cikarang.
The lessons that I have learned in Charis Global School and I have applied in my new school are so many. One of them is my English skills. Now I can easily answering the question and do the task that my teacher gave. Charis Global School also teach me how to be a good leader and a good partner in a teamwork. I remember that one time when the teachers have chosen me and my friend to be the leader of the lower grade at an event in the school. It gives me experiences and memories that I can never forget. Maybe because I'm a new student, I still haven't got any achievement. But the thing that I consider as my achievement is now I have the confidence to enroll myself to be the part of the school organization. My message to Charis Global School is thank you for changing me to be a better person. Thank you for teaching me many things. Thank you for everything.
The first year for you as a high school student, we also hope that you will continue to develop your knowledge, idea, and skills. Study and work diligently, do the best, use your time wisely, obey the norm of life, and be humble. Keep moving forward, do not give up. Remember, every failure is a learning process. A bright future ahead of you. Good luck. God bless you. You cannot break the chain.
You can break the chain.
You can break the chain.
You cannot break the chain.
You can't break the chain.
You can't break the chain.
You can break the chain.
You can break the chain.